Derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. So, narito yung mga formula na gagamitin natin sa paghanap ng derivatives ng inverse of trigonometric functions. So, sa formula natin, ginamitan natin ito ng chain rule, wherein yung u natin dito is all expressions in terms of x. So, kaya meron tayong nakamultiply na du over dx sa lahat ng formula. So, pwede nyo na lang i-pause itong video para ma-take note nyo yung formula. For the first problem, we have find dy over dx if y is equal to r cosine of x squared. So, dahil meron tayong inverse cosine, gagamitin natin yung formula for derivative of r cosine u. So, ito yung formula natin para sa derivative ng r cosine u, kung saan yung u natin dito is yung function inside the r cosine, which is x squared. So, therefore, pag ginanap natin yung dy over dx, equal siya sa negative 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared. So, negative 1 over square root of 1 minus u natin is x squared. So, we have x squared and then naka-squared pa. So, quantity squared. Then, multiplied by the derivative of u, which is x squared. So, we have negative 1 over square root of 1 minus. So, x squared squared is x to the fourth. Then, derivative nitong x squared, applying power formula, we have 2x. So, simplifying further, we have negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x over square root of 1 minus x squared. So, this is the final answer. Next, we have find dy over dx if y is equal to arctan of sine x. So, dahil meron tayong arctangent, gamitin natin yung formula for derivatives ng arctan u. So, ito yung formula natin for derivative ng arctan u, kung saan yung u natin dito is yung inside function sa arctan, which is sin x. So, therefore, ang ating dy over dx will be equal to 1 over 1 plus u squared. So, 1 over 1 plus u is sin x. So, sin x and then squared. Then, multiplied by the derivative of u with respect to x. So, we have derivative of sin x. So, simplifying, we have 1 over 1 plus sin x raised to the second power is sin squared x. Then, derivative ng sin x is cosine x. So, simplifying, we have cosine x over 1 plus sin squared x. So, therefore, this is the final answer.